Today, we're going to explore a quick guide on how to use Chatgpt to effortlessly write an essay. First, open your preferred browser on your device. In the search bar, type Chatgpt and hit enter. This will take you to the Chatgpt platform. Once you're on the Chatgpt platform, it's time to write your prompt for your essay. Be clear and concise about the topic or question you want assistance with. You could write a prompt like this: create an essay about effects of global warming. After writing your prompt, tap the send button. Wait for a few seconds as ChatGPT processes your prompt. Then after a few seconds, ChatGPT generates an answer for you, and that's how quick and easy to use ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.